Today I'll show you how to make professional packaging design using Sourceful. Start by entering information about your product. I'm going to go with an eco-friendly laundry powder called Cirrus that is soft on fabrics. I'll click Start Your Design. You'll get recommendations on which packaging types might be suitable for you. There's many to choose from, but I'll choose the standup pouch as the format. Then I'll enter some branding information, brand name, slogan, and any ideas I've already got on the look and feel of the design. I can also choose colors, styles, and upload a logo and artwork reference if I have it, but for this exercise I don't. Finally, I'll enter some target market information. This is really important to spend time on, as it can impact the design choices the most. I want the standout elements to be that it's eco-friendly, soft on fabrics, and it should be friendly and fun. Now, I'll confirm the information and let Sourceful's AI packaging designer get to work. So we're going to get 3 design routes to explore, just like a professional designer would do. Okay, let's see what we get. The first route is quite light, with soft pastels and clouds like I wanted. I think it's okay. The second is very different. It's got a much stronger green background. I like some of these ideas here. Let's check out the third one. Yeah, the third one is what I'm really into. I think the brown craft color signals eco-friendliness. The clouds provide a nice contrast while showing color. It looks like it's going to take really good care of my clothes. So I like this one in particular. Let's preview it. The layout is good. Just need to update the AI generated text, but I'd be happy with this. So I'll just go to the top and select make it print ready. So in this step, I'm going to hand over to an expert designer. I'll go through now and fill out the briefing form where I can confirm the design, the dimensions, and the text changes I need. And now an expert designer gets to work converting this into a 2D artwork dieline that I can edit and send to suppliers. And here is the final artwork. Leave a comment if you have a product you want me to design next.